Hello, everybody. Okay, look at this. It's called a Clusia. Looks like the jade plant. Oh, she's a stunner. Yes, she is. She looks gorgeous sitting over there with my other things. She's so pretty. I mean, her leaves look just like the jade plant. Just like the jade plant. Look at this. Oh my, she's between a jade and an Audrey. Audrey fig. Yeah, she's really, really pretty. Look at this. Look at all her new growth on her. She's a stunner. Oh, wow. She's beautiful. Yes, she is. Called her Clusia. Yep. All right. Like and subscribe. Mama Long. Thank you, new subscribers. Bye.